Hi there, this is David Detman, and I'm going to cover how to do a Twitter widget for WordPress, or you might be able to use this also on a website as well. Okay, this training is for LearnWordpress.biz and social media for smallbusiness.com.au. So a bit of a cross between our Twitter trainings and our WordPress trainings. Alright, now Twitter tends to change around quite a bit, so it's pretty hard to find things. Now, the first place you need to look is in resources, okay? Now, open a new window with resources, and here you find the buttons, widgets, logos, and more, as they call it. Now, you want to go to widgets, alright? Now, this is not something new either. With Twitter, it's just, finding this stuff is not always easy. Okay. Now, look, you can add it to Facebook or my website. We're going to do my website, okay? Do a profile, you can do a favorite, you can do favorites, list. Most people are going to do a profile one, alright? Okay, so if you're logged in, it already knows your username. I'm just waiting for the page to load up. Okay, that's the way it looks right now. Okay, if you want to just download that, you can do that. You can just go and finish and grab the code. If you want to put it in where there's more, for instance, let's put five. Sorry, 5. Okay, load all tweets. You can use a scroll if you want. Okay, appearance. Now, if you don't like the style of this, all right. Shell background. So you can see that's a bit of a grey colour. Whoa. It's a bit bright for me. But you can see you can have a play to change it around simply like that, alright? Okay, so you can just go done. Now, I would recommend the white. Now, you can always go like this, for instance, and copy it across, okay? Let's get rid of that. Now you want to change your, if you're going to do that, you want to change your colours here, okay? But you just have a play around with it. I'm not going to go into much detail. Okay, blue if you wanted. Pretty it up a bit. Okay. Now dimensions is simply how it's going to fit. Now you could change it up so it's, let's do the width 300 just so you can see. Yeah, auto. Right. I'm just going to keep it standard so you guys can see the standard if you don't want to do all these. Okay. Test settings. Alright, that is what it looks like right now. Okay. So you might go, okay, it's not working for me. I need to change the colours up. Alright. Dimensions. Hey, I want it a bit wider. Test once again. Okay, so we've got the scroll bar. We could take that out if we wanted. Alright, we can make the height a bit bigger if we want to fit the fifth one in. But the point is you need to grab the code, okay? You can add it to Blogger if you're using Blogger. We'll grab the code again. select all, copy. Okay, so once you've done that and you're happy with it, what you need to do is grab an HTML box once again. Seen me do this plenty of times. Okay, so let's call it Twitter. I spell Twitter. Try again. Twitter demo. Okay, now naturally you'd call it after your own name. Like the code in. Now just keep in mind when you're having a look at this code, you can always change the height, the width. Alright, if you know HTML colors, you can change the colors. But you can always go back and do another code if you're not happy with it. So, once again, press save. Wait for the little spinny thing to go around. Go to your website, alright. Refresh the page. Okay, now I think we put it down the bottom there. Okay, so that's a pretty good size, alright. Let's have another play with it. Okay, now naturally the colours don't mix. I'm always a perfectionist when it comes to these things until they get too hard. Okay, but I've just changed the width a little bit. Now naturally your bar might be a different size, so you got to work out what your bar is on your theme to what size it is if you're using the thesis. Okay, so you can see how the bars just come up. So flexibility theme is the one I was thinking about. Just go in and watch my video, but you can grab that. I'll just show you here. People keep asking. Alright, just go to there and go to the options and you can change the size of the bar if you want to do it that way. You can see I've matched it up. Alright, now on most sites your bar probably wouldn't be that size, but it's just a demo site we just use for people to play with. Okay, so everything from my Twitter feed is coming through. Alright, if people click on that, it goes to my Twitter. Okay. So this has been how to set up a Twitter on your WordPress blog. Now you can also do this with your website as well, okay? Depending on how your website's set up, you just got to find a place and put the same code in. You might need HTML coding to center it and that type of thing, but you can search that. So thanks again for watching this tutorial. This is LearnWordpress.biz and social media for smallbusiness.com.au, teaching you how to put that on your WordPress blog or any other website. I'll see you in the next video.